Question 1. Another set consists of 6 plastic mugs, each of a different design, and 3 china mugs, each of a different design. Whenever you come across information, write it down. Given is 6 are plastic, 3 are china. Find in how many ways these 9 mugs can be arranged in a row if the china mugs are all separated from each other. You need to arrange these 9 mugs, satisfying the condition that china mugs are all separated from each other. To make sure that they are always separated from each other, follow this method. In that, step 1. Whatever should not be together, put them aside and arrange the remaining. So this have been kept separated, arrange this. 6 plastic mugs, 6 places, you can arrange in 6p6 ways. They all are different, so by will not come. Okay. Now, these should not be together means they have to be placed in between. So you should see how many places you have in between. So in between places are 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in between 7 places for these 3 mugs. So that can be arranged in 7 places for 3 mugs, so into 7p3. So if you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 151200. Okay. Whatever should not be together outside, arrange the remaining, then check in between how many places do you have. Question 2. 2 spaniels, so 2s. 2 retrievers, so 2r. 3 poodles, so 3p. Go through to the final. They are placed in a line. How many different arrangements of these 9 dogs are there? If no poodle is next to another poodle, the condition is these should not be beside each other. Clear with the question? Whatever should not be beside each other, you keep them separate and arrange the remaining. Remaining, how many do you have? 4. So 4 blanks. 4 of this in 4 blanks can be arranged in 4p4 ways. They all are different, so by I am not writing. Now, these 3 should not be together means they should be placed in between. So see how many places are present in between. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 places for 3 poodles, so answer will be 5p3. Put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 1440. Okay. Question 3. Find the number of different ways that 6 boys and 4 girls. So information, write it down. Stand in a line if no girl stands next to another girl. Beside a girl, another girl should not be standing. In order to satisfy this condition, step 1. Put these girls aside and arrange the rest. Rest are the boys. 6 boys, 6 blanks. So boys can be arranged in 6 blanks in 6p6 ways. These should not be together means see in between how many places do you have to place these 4 girls. Only in that way I can make sure that beside a girl another girl is not standing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 places for 4 girls, so answer will be 7p4. Since these two should happen simultaneously into between them. So if you put it in the calculator, you get the answer to be 604800. Question 4. Find the number of different ways of arranging all 9 letters of the word pineapple if no vowel is next to another vowel. Whenever you come across a word, write each letter has come how many times. Starting with P, once, twice, thrice. So P is 3 times. I is once. N is once. E is twice. A is once. L is also once. Okay. Now the condition is no vowel is next to another vowel. So vowels are A, E, I. These vowels should not be next to each other. How do I make sure that they are not next to each other? Means put these 3 separate and arrange the remaining. Once these 3 are gone, left out are these P, N and L. So 3, 4 and 5. So put 5 blanks. 5 letters, 5 blanks can be arranged in 5P 5 ways. In these 5 letters, these 3 P are identical. So I should divide it with 3 factorial. Letters are identical, they will not specify, you should remember that. Okay, next. Now I should see in between how many places do I have for these vowels. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have in between 6 places for how many vowels? 2, 3, 4. So for 4 vowels, so 6P4 and more. In this 4 vowels, these 2 E's are identical. So divide it with 2 factorial. Put this in calculator, you get the answer to be 3600. Question 5. Find the number of ways of all 10 letters of the word can be arranged so that E's are not next to each other. You came across a word, write each letter has come how many times. C has come once, O has come once, P has come once, E has come twice, N has come twice, H has come once, A has come once, G also has come once. Right? Now the condition is E should not be next to each other. Whatever should not be next to each other, put them separate, keep them aside and arrange the remaining letters or objects. Leaving E, I have all this. So total were 10, 10 minus 2, 8. So 8 blanks. 8 letters, 8 blanks can be arranged in 8P8 ways. Okay. And in those 8, this is identical. So by 2 factorial. Okay. Now I should see how many places do I have in between, such that in between them I can place 2 E's. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in between I have 9 places for the 2 E's. So 9P2. More, those 2 E's are identical. So by 2 factorial. Put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 725760.